So good day guys, welcome back. Let's take a look at this gold. So first of all, the trend for this asset we want to trade, which is our gold, you can see it's uptrend move. That is one. Secondly, you can see it's also trading above the moving average, which we are using 10 period simple moving average. Price is still above it, still giving us that bullish move. No doubt about that. So gold, full trend as is a bull uptrend move. So we see this to be an ice, and we will take this to be a pullback, a new highs that broke this previous highs, and here comes to be a pullback. If we take a look at this again, a new highs, right? The price kind of gave us like a double top here. You can see it. Price actually did not break this previous highs at first. Then once price gave us a pullback, we saw price give us a new highs that broke this previous highs. So a new highs has now been made. Now when you take a look at this gold, you see that this is seen as a pullback. After this pullback, what do you expect? We expect a further bullish move. So today, gold kind of gave us like a bullish move. We saw it open and close bullish. Today, which is for the 30, right, which will be the last day for this year, we will be trading on our forex, which is Friday. We expect it to also give us a bullish move. So this bullish momentum move, right, is not yet over. So still expect it. When you take a look at this pullback that was recently made on our gold, you see it came to tap our moving average, 10th period moving average. So we all know what to expect next. A continuous bullish move. You can see today we opened and closed bullish. Tomorrow too, we should also expect our price to give us that bullish move. So expect a bullish move for the next day on gold. Now we should take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Let's watch out for this level as price is reacting to this level. Until this, if price can eventually break out this level, then we can go ahead. If not, if price does not break above this resistance level, then price can drop. But if price breaks above this resistance level, then we will go ahead and go long on our gold. But I strongly believe price will actually break above it. I strongly believe. At least you should be able to take out this candlestick wick here. You can see here this candlestick wick here, which you can see as a liquidity. I believe price will actually be able to take it out the next day. Anyhow, we should be expecting a bullish move on our gold. As you can see it on the 4-hour time frame, price is still trading above our 10 period moving average. So you can see something like this as an impulse, as a correction here, as an impulse, a correction, right? Impulse move. So wait for a pullback. Once this pullback is over, then go ahead and go long on this gold. So anyhow, gold, expect a bullish move for the next day.